Hey guys, you're outside? Yeah. And you. 8 of them all in one tiny cage. Whew. It's the first time that they've been out this summer. Hey, hey. Be good. Hi, Riley. Oh, poor baby. Poor baby. It's alright. You move over and give baby some room. Thank you. 3 if you can fit on there. Be good. I know you, Blaine. Leave baby alone. Look at baby. Having fun outside. Having fun. Hi. No. Yeah, Blaine knows that he's not my favorite. He knows I like the other birds more. She. Blaine's a girl. Hi, Niven. There's Niven at the bottom. He's the oldest. Hi, guys. Look at him. Oh, Milo. What's the matters? Milo's got like those snake eyes. They stare right at you. See? Look at those eyes. Those are like predator eyes. Be nice. Good girl. Good girl. It's hot out here. I told you guys I'd bring you out. I always keep my word to you. Right, baby? Yeah, baby's been on a few times already. Because he's my favorite. He's my favorite, huh? And Skyvan. Skyvan and Blackbeak. They all having fun. They're all happy. Those are happy chirps. Those are happy chirps. Yeah. Yeah. Milo, what you doing? Hi, Riley. Hi, Riley, baby. I know it's been a while since I've made a video of ya. It's been like 3 weeks. I figured I'd get back into it. Took a little break. You see all the birdies are doing good. All 8 of them. They're outside. Just like they wanted. Just like I promised them. I told them that once it got nice out, I'd bring them outside on the back. And here we are. Here we are. It's hot. Damn it. Yeah. Here are my plants. This is Dragon Breath and chocolate ghost pepper. I got the other one in the front, but the Carolina Reaper one, that plant ended up dying, so I threw it away. But I got a few Carolina Reaper plants down here. Well, they're in the front as well, but I got a few pepper plants going. But the Carolina Reaper one I ordered through Pepper Joe's didn't end up making it, which sucked because I really wanted to have some Carolina Reapers this year. But I still can because I got like 3 other plants, but they're not through the same company that I usually get them from. But the Dragon's Breath is doing good. Chocolate Ghost Pepper, that one's doing good. And then the Scorpion one is in the front. That one's doing okay. I think these two are doing the best, but the Scorpion one ain't doing too bad. It's just on it's like on the scrawny side a little bit, but the Carolina Reaper plant, that plant was just so small and it was dead. I couldn't save it. Hey guys. Hi. Hi. Look at Blackbeak. Black's like, damn. You know, I hooked up a bunch of porches for them because there was only 2. So I put 3 more. So there's 5 porches and 8 birds. But I can always set it up differently another day when I bring you out next time. You like being outside, baby? Blaine, look at you. Look at me. Hi, Blaine. Hi, Riley. Hi. Yeah, now they're enjoying it. But there's a little wind, a little breeze, but it's hot. That's all I can say right now is that it's hot. Right, Niven? Who's that, Sparky? Hi, Sparky. That's Sparky and his daddy right there. Hey! There'll be none of that. When we're in tight spaces like this, we gotta take care of each other. No fighting. You guys are brothers and sisters. You get along. I did my best. This is the only cage I got that is free. Like a free time cage for ya. I wash it out all the time. I don't put newspaper on this cage. What you doing, Milo? What you doing, Milo? Hi. 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 I think it's better to sit down and do it. Hi, guys. There they are. That's Sparky and Daddy's. Hey, Sparks. Hey, Sparks. Who else do we got? Blackbeak and Skyven, my 2 little lovebirds. They're always sitting next to each other. They got each other's back. They got each other's back. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. All of you have got each other's back, I hope. I hope all of you have your backs. My Blaine, my least favorite, my trouble girl. You're a troublemaker, Blaine. You're a troublemaker. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're a troublemaker. Yeah, I don't like that. She knows she's better be good to baby. 'Cause I'm on her a lot about that. Careful. Oh. Riley and Milo. They love each other. They love each other's. Yeah, see, they just had to find their spot. They just had to find their own space. Right, Ivan? It's alright. Yeah. It's not that bad today. It's been hotter. It's a good day to come out. It's a good day to just spend some time. Let me zoom in. There we go. Sit back and watch them now. Hey guys. There we go. Yeah, I see it. You two. You two in the back, stop fighting. Milo. Leave her alone. Leave him alone. Look at those eyes. They like stare right into your soul. Milo. Milo. Hey, Riley. That's a good pose. You see Milo's eyes? They like stare into your soul. Yeah, Brains is chilling. What about you two? Black Bakes. Blackie. What are you doing? Milo. Look at you. Hi. That's a good breeze. I knew y'all felt that, huh? I knew you felt that. Hey! Hey! No! Back up! Back up! I'm not playing with you, Blaine. Back up! Back up! No! Blaine! Don't be a bitch. Give baby some space. I don't want to see that. Hi, Skyvin. Hi, Skyvin. Oh, my birdies. My babies. I hope you guys are happy. You seem happy. You seem happy. Yes, you do. It's tough to get videos, or I mean pictures, when you're in the cage and I'm out like this. I thought a video would be better. Yeah. Look at that. Mad birdie heads. You guys look a little tight in there. Right, Brad Beak? You guys are a little tight. But I'll set up these porches differently next time. What's the matter, Milo? What's the matter, Milo? God damn it, that's not even music. That's fucking chicken neck shit. I don't know how people can listen to that shit. It's garbage. Stupid motherfucker. Hey guys. Oh, Milo, it's over. Yeah, you didn't like the noise either, huh? I had to stop the video because it was so fucking obnoxious. Hey! No! Baby, what are you doing back there? I didn't even see you move. I didn't even see you guys move. Milo! My snake eyes. Look at me. Milo. It's Blaine. Yeah, Blaine knows better than to fuck with Milo. Yeah, Blaine. That crooked tail. Oh shit. For a second I thought I went back to normal. It's alright. It's alright. Be nice. You be nice to each other. You be good. My babies. Yeah, it's Niven. Niven. Yeah. You guys like being outside? Yeah. You like being outside? Sit at a different angle. You like being out, babies? Yes. Be good. Be nice. Wow, that looks really nice over there. Well done. Hi. Hi. Hey, Niven. My old man. Yeah. You've been out enough times in your life to know. We'll make this a thing too, okay? You guys can come out occasionally. What's it doing, Riley? What are you doing, Riley? Riley babies. You guys are a little jammed up right now, I see. And there's someone eating. Somebody's eating. This fucking... Get this all fixed up. A lot of fucking plants out back here. Too many. There's too many. Yeah. There's too many plants back here. Alright, birdies. We're gonna go for now. Bye-bye.